Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome to Buenos Aires, Argentina. My name is Ari, and today I'm going to show you what it's like to have a traditional Argentinian asado experience. If you don't know, asado is Argentinian barbecue. Today we're going to have a 5-course meal cooked on the grill featuring 5 different cuts of meat. This asado, along with traditional asado in general, is held at somebody's home. So right now we're at the home of our host, and she's going to show us how to cook the best Argentinian meats. The land of meat lovers, Argentina has the second highest rate of meat consumption in the world, coming in at 120 pounds of beef per capita. As I would soon find out, it also produces some of the tastiest meat you can find.
We're going to be hosting the experience today. We are very excited to be sharing our most beautiful ritual with you. It's about the gathering around the fire. It's about connecting to each other, friends, family, beef, and pork. That's the mandatory thing.
Belen showed us how to fire up the parrilla, a traditional Argentinian grill, and then walked us through all the different cuts of meat we would be enjoying later on, starting with our first 2 courses.
So this is my selection, but it's not necessary to have these exact cuts to have an asado. This would be like a premium asado. So this is going to be our first course. These are blood sausages or blood puri, you know them. This would be our second course. And these ones, because they are already cooked, we are going to place them far away the intense heat.
Next up was the matambrito, or Argentinian pork belly.
Perfect amount of fats and meat to make it delicious. This is the way Argentinians cut this part of the pork to make it unique.
And then a slightly unusual cut of meat I saw for the first time.
These specifically are from the heart, but are the best. You know why I am doing this business? Because of this. You buy them fresh, you cook them without any ingredient, and if your supplier is good, they will taste amazing. And we are going to finish the cooking with some lemon.
We've been preparing the asado for the past hour and a half. It smells absolutely delicious, and I can't wait to eat. I'm starving right now. With all the meat now cooking away, it was time to make the famous Argentinian chimichurri sauce.
Oregano, dry oregano. These are more or less 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Oh, what? All of it? Yeah, all of it. If you have garlic, you can even add more. This is corn oil. You can use any oil that is plain. So we cover all the ingredients with this corn oil. We just mix.
So they made our current batch of chimichurri sauce a whole week ago. It's been marinating and seasoning and getting tastier and tastier. It smelled absolutely amazing. After hours of waiting, the moment we'd all been waiting for, it was finally time to sit down and enjoy this Argentinian feast. Our first course is a chorizo sandwich with chimichurri sauce called choripan. I think I got that right.
You need to, all the ingredients, you use the wood burner to...
Oh, it's really good.
You need a
I like this a lot.
barbecue, like
It doesn't taste like chorizo, like that I know.
No.
It's different, right? Our second course today is a blood sausage.
Because I was doing so well.
It's like a pasty consistency. It doesn't taste awful, but it's like you're eating like paste, kind of. Yeah.
anyone regretting having breakfast?
For our third course, we're having matambritos, which is pork, slow-cooked pork with lots and lots of lemon.
It's good with the lemon. I'm looking watching yours reaction.
Yeah, the lemon makes it gives it flavor, yeah. It has a thin, crispy exterior, where the fat is. And the inside is very well cooked. It's very good pork. I think the fat to meat ratio is very good. So this is cow heart, I guess the exterior walls of the heart, if I understood it correctly. It's very soft, a bit crispy on the outside, seasoned with lemon.
Amazing. This tastes like the best bit when you do like a sirloin or something. Yeah. The edgy bit.
Oh, I don't know.
It's like even better.
It's a very different flavor. It's very soft, very tender, slight crisp to the outside. I mean, it's good, but it's its own flavor, kind of. I kind of like it. A lot better than the blood sausage. The texture's okay. I like more like steak, like firm, but this is nice too. And for our final course, we're gonna have what appears to be a perfect, well-cooked cut of filet with some vegetables and a pepper with a cracked egg in it that I showed you earlier. I've never tried a pepper with an egg combination. Sounds interesting. Well, let's start with the filet. It's really good. Having a nice cut of filet with chimichurri sauce. Excellent.
So you boys eating supper tonight?
Maybe.
Really?
Haven't decided yet. It's still early though. It's only 3 o'clock. Gotta finish up with some nice dulce de leche ice cream while we're in Argentina.
It's like you want me to show you a picture of it.
Excellent. We just wrapped up the premium Asado experience here in Buenos Aires. If you want to learn how to make great barbecue and have a great experience while doing it, this is definitely the place to be. All the food is included. We had unlimited wine, very friendly hostesses. We learned a whole lot about how to grill meats, and they use very good cuts of meat here. So I would highly recommend this experience, especially if you are in Argentina, a country that consumes and produces tons and tons of beef. And it just started raining. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I was happy to share this Asado experience with you today. If you like this video, you can really help me out by leaving a comment down below. That tells the YouTube algorithm to share this video to other people who might like it. I still have a lot more traveling to do in Argentina. I hope I see you in the next episode. Thanks, guys.